community, all hands are needed, all voices are needed, all finances is needed, and our officials need to be protected. I will be what I can be, and I would only do what I can do, but we all need to be with each other as one. I thank you again for this opportunity.
There is a young man that does not live in the city of Lauderhill, but his voice reaches in the city of Lauderhill. He doesn't even live in this country, but his voice reaches in this country. He is continuously for our young people, for people who are in need, the disenfranchised. He is a humanitarian who stands his ground, is committed to the success of the future of our people. Our people being our young people, our seniors, those who are considered to be a part of the vulnerable population. He came here a few months back. We had to give him a proclamation because of what he did. He went to a restaurant, a local restaurant, and 500 people came just to be able to see him because of the work that he does. And I sought him out again. And when we spoke, I said, what you have done for the community as a whole, I cannot go anywhere in my city and someone don't say, I saw you on Cutlass. 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 I call him Cutlass because I'm sharp. Cutlass. Everywhere in the city. I said, my God, even last Sunday. And so I want to thank you. It shows you that you don't even have to live in this city to be able to help this city. You can extend your hand anywhere you are. Use your platform. And his platform is social media. His platform is YouTube. And he gives instruction and people listen. He is one of influence. And he serves his community. He's here just for a day and he's going to feed people with dumplings and all kinds of stuff. That's just who he is. So, on behalf of the city of Lauderhill, speaking with my colleagues, the great Commissioner Campbell. Hold on, Commissioner.
You, just you, building your app on base 44. Describe it.
Yeah! Love you!
The greatest honor we can give one in the city, the key to the city of Lauderhill, for what you have done. Your work has not been in vain. We appreciate you. We love you. Evangelist Phillips, Richard Phillips, when we decided to bring him up because it was necessary.
Yes!
What he has done cannot go unnoticed. You never know who's watching. And he does it from his heart. And so when he decided to do that, she said, "I'm half a cooking dumpling." But nevertheless, we appreciate you.
Yeah!
And so, Lana, if Lana want to come up as well. They made this happen. They made this happen. And we appreciate you so much. We're presenting you with the key to the city of Lauderhill. You can come in anytime, morning, noon, or night. We have access granted. We appreciate you, Colaz. Thank you for caring for the people. Thank you for being here. Thank you for flying up. Couldn't find him on the airplane yesterday. Thought immigration got him. Thank you, Colaz, for being here. We bless you. Thank you.
Well, I Colaz Smith TV fans them there. Hold on. So, December I was here. You make sure you come in with shades this time. I'm not about not going to see this time. So, on behalf of all of Jamaica, let me say this first. On behalf of all of Jamaica, On behalf of all of my YouTube family,
Yeah.
I just want to say that I am so elated right now. So thank you so much, Miss Denise Grant. This is really what greatness looks like.
Yes. Yeah.
And with saying that, may I have to say God is the greatest.
God is great.
So more to help more than one again. Yes, sir.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
From Color Reds. Yeah, Color Reds. Dream.
Me jingle, me I tell you my feel. I'm in love with your baby. And you are my jingle, and me I tell you say me love you girl. Me and your king, and you are my queen girl. 'Cause every night when me sleep, me see you and I'm a jingle. And you love me I feel girl, and me I tell you say me love you girl. Hey, and you
Girl to Colaz Smith TV. I tour the world. Yes, guys. Welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? All right. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you not feel no pain. If you are feel any pain at all, remember if you do check the doctor, go to the doctor, call the doctor, and make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. If you don't worry yourself. We are here. We go call your cousin, your auntie, your sister, your brother. We go call everybody to come and help you go to the doctor. Are your birthday today? Happy birthday to you. Have a nice day. Remember, if you go out and drink, don't drink and drive. Be safe and think about the other person on the other side. And guys, remember the have not. Remember the have not. Remember the people who don't have any food or don't have any clothes or anything. Help them out. And guys, wellness check. Do some wellness check for your friends and your family. Make sure everybody is all right, because mental health is a serious crisis. Now, guys, we go have a dialogue today. Very nice dialogue we're going to have. And this video, when we are going to make right now, we go talk about something that Colaz Smith said, yeah, in our video. Colaz Smith said, YouTube is a platform that can change your life. Remember, Color Reds, COLAREDZ, Color Reds, Dream Girl. Yeah, man, that's the first video Colaz upload on YouTube. Hold on a little bit. The first video Colaz upload on YouTube was on November 3rd, 2011. That video get 4,505 views. You just hear what I said a while ago. That video from November 3rd, 2011 received 4,505 views. Yeah. That's at that specific time, 2011, that was a lot of views for the first video. That was Colaz Smith's first video on YouTube. And then, because at that specific time, Colaz put himself as an entertainer, as an artist. Colaz wanted to be an artist. So Colaz was trying to put himself out there in the world to entertain people. I wouldn't say it didn't work or it never worked. I wouldn't say that. I believe Colaz doing thing, just like all musicians, you do your thing, you do your thing. If you feel it not working or you feel, you go try something different. So Colaz move on to something different. Colaz giving away things through town, giving away all kind of things, doing all kind of things, go back and work in a library while still doing his YouTube. Now, guys, the reason why I make this video, this specific video, is because of all what is going on out there. Should I say from rags to riches? Or should I say from color, Red's dream girl to traveling the world?
The Redeemer, an iconic statue located at the top of Corcovado Mountain, overlooking the beautiful city of Rio de Janeiro. Rio was once the capital city of Brazil from 1763 up until 1960, when Brasilia becomes the country's capital city. Rio boasts a population of over 6.2 million people. Rio is one of the most visited cities in all of the Southern Hemisphere. Jamaica's very own King of Sprint and still world record holder, our stadium, Rio de Janeiro. Tourists from all over the world come to Rio de Janeiro to view this iconic Christ the Redeemer statue. And today, I am all the way from Jamaica to Brazil in Rio de Janeiro to see for myself this iconic historical.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44, a complete AI creation platform.
Statue of Christ that I've only seen on YouTube and on posters. Come along with me as I explore Christ the Redeemer. Check in, my beautiful people, and good morning. Hope that you guys are doing well. It is a beautiful day today. So I just jumped on the weather app and it says that today will be, well, we won't get any rain today. Hopefully it keeps to that scene, because yesterday it was pouring down and we didn't get to do anything pretty much, and we leave tomorrow. All right, and if you don't know where we are right now, we are in Rio de Janeiro, and guess what, we came yesterday, we reached yesterday.
Any one of them you really want to put it, any one of them you want to say is what you have to say. Now, when you sit down and you look at what Colaz Smith is achieving from YouTube, say what it is, say it how you want to say it, but the man achieved a lot from YouTube, and that's the reason why Colaz Smith used the word and said YouTube can change your life. Now, when I look over all of Colaz Smith videos them, yes, all of them, 2 days now, me I do this to make this video, which is just a simple video I'm making. When Colaz start the YouTube, none of us know anything about Colaz Smith. None of us know anything about Colaz Smith. That's 2011. Not one of us know anything about Colaz Smith. Listen me good. I start my channel 2009, 09, I start. I didn't take it up seriously. Colaz take is seriously and pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing. 2020 come when COVID. If you take a time out and look at our Colaz YouTube channel, at one point there was videos that Colaz was making that was getting 200, 300 views, 400 views. If you look at what Colaz come up the growth of Colaz Smith. 2020 COVID was when everything changed. Was it 2020 COVID? COVID. 2019 COVID time. I can't remember. I can't remember. I try not to remember COVID, none at all. Because COVID changed everything. When COVID come, that was the time Colaz Smith graduate his channel onto something different. Now, guys, if you sit down and look within 2026, let's say 2020, 2020, Colaz graduate his YouTube channel onto something meaningful, something bigger, something better, because he see what is coming his way. Because remember, he's the one who is getting paid. Now, again, guys, the reason why I'm making this video is just to say to each and every one out there, YouTube really can change your life, but it's up to you and what you want out of YouTube. If you want to stay one place, or if you want to be able to live easy, or you want to be bigger than Colaz, or you want to do the same thing Colaz is doing, or you want to just stagnant where you are. Colaz see the light, I would say. Yes, Colaz see the light and realize that there is something to be made out of YouTube. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, growing his channel to where it is today's date. Most of all, Colaz attain a United States visa, because remember, you can travel outside of the US, outside of Jamaica, going to Colombia and all that. Colaz went to Colombia and all those things. When Colaz get his American visa, that was another step of making Colaz Smith greater, bigger, and even better. Me personally, I would love to see Colaz and his family flying to the US, to UK, to Canada. Yes, I would love that. Yes, I would love that. And to be honest with you, I even said, man, I wonder if Colaz did it the right way. That's me, because that's how I am. I said that because guess what happened? I would have liked to see him and his wife and his kids them go. But guess what happened? I can't make a mountain out of it, because his life is his life. But at the same time, Colaz a strive and a push and a build for him and his family. When you sit down and you look at the foundation that Colaz is setting for himself and his family and for other people.
Man, them start set up the scaffold, yeah man, so we basically cut posts and we have set up the scaffold. All column, box and cast out already, and most of them already pulled down. So right now, what we are going to do today, we are going to continue the flashing of the inside scene. Meanwhile, Danny and Mr. James are doing them thing. Forward to make me show you what I go on. So we get Clive. We know that recognize Clive from over by Miss Lickler kitchen. Yeah man. Just to kind of speed the working process along faster. You see me? So right now we have what? Call them 4 tradesmen on site. Right now because we work round the clock overtime to get this project up and running as fast as we possibly can. We want to reach up at top so we can continue the wall there. So we can reach the decking stage and all of that. But you know we can't reach up there so unless we complete down here so first. So forward, I could show you how I go on. So, right here, so we have Biggs, slow-mo. Then I bring down some sand so Chuma can continue rough casting. Alright? So far I'm complete 2 sections already. Complete the kitchen section. You man see Biggs are come down with a bag of sand. I have to mix out the cement and thing. Alright? I'm complete. In here, so is a bedroom. See? So
To learn from. I believe it's a way of showing people that if I do it, me, poor boy Miguel, aka Colaz Smith TV, do it. You can do it too. Guys, there's a lot of things out there that we all can do. There is a lot of things out there that we all can do. YouTube is a part of it. YouTube is a part of how we can make something out of our life. YouTube is a thing that we can use as a stepping stone to help our family, to leave back something here so that our kids can able to benefit from it. YouTube is that place. YouTube platform is that place. And I'm telling you, Colaz Smith is the biggest example. Drizzy Burke them is the biggest example, aka Mr. Bean is an example of where and what you can achieve from off the YouTube street, from out of YouTube and social media. Guys, remember, say, when a person looking for anything, where he or she goes, YouTube. Remember, you used to have news station where you have to go to the news station to get your news. Now, all that is gone. All that is gone. The news channels are still there, but it's gone. People will more come to your channel to get information about what happened tomorrow, what's going to happen tomorrow, what's going to happen today, and all those things. Guys, I say what go happen tomorrow twice. See with me. So that's the thing, guys. You have to sit down and look into yourself and ask yourself, what is the objective of me having a YouTube channel when I see Colaz Smith, I see Drizzy Burke, I see who again? I see Tiffany Silva, I see all those people growing their channel up to 300,000, 200,000 subscribers and making videos that every single video they post, they can make over 30,000 views. Guys, we have to do better. Yeah, man, we have to do better. Colaz Smith, Drizzy Burke, Tiffany Silva, who again? There's so much people out there that is showing us that YouTube can do it for you. Remember this. Let's put it this way. We're in 2026. For the last 5 years, listen to what I'm saying, and don't twist it. Don't take it and twist it. For the last 5 years, put on your hand. For the last 5 years, have any of you see Colaz Smith doing another job? Come on. Any answer? Any answer? Any answer? Class, any answer? Somebody said, oh yeah. Somebody said no. Somebody said no. Another person said no. She said no. Another person said no. Another person said no. No. You way back there. What's your answer? No. You way over the side. What's your answer? No. Another no. Guys, everybody said no. Everybody in the room, outside the room, over there, all the people in Africa said no. Them said no, them not see Colaz do any other work in the past 5 years other than a YouTube channel. So my question now lead up to this. Where do you think the money come from that he used to build up the house that he was born and grow? Where you think all those money come from that fix that house? I won't say anything more about that house, because but where that other place, I can't remember what it's called. That other board building, he called it a name. I can't remember it right. I can't remember it. But that board building, the ranch, something like that. I go use the word ranch. Where you think that money come from that he used to build that? Now let's move over to Project X. Where do you all think the money that is building Project X come from? Because he's not doing any work, he's not working for anybody for the last 5 years. Where do you think that money came from? Or in other words, where you think it come from? It comes from YouTube, where he works full-time. Colaz Smith is a full-time content creator, not a half-time content creator, a full-time content creator. So all what you see Colaz Smith with, he get it from YouTube. Everything you see Colaz Smith with, the solar you see him put on him house, it not free. He get the money from his job, YouTube. The little escalator there, where him buy, where him get the money from? YouTube. The mixer, which is a very good business, because he can also rent it out and make money from it after he finish building Project X. Where do you think he get all those money from? Well, again, let's ask the class, or let's not say class. My viewers and my subscribers, anybody know where Colaz get the money from that he's building Project X and that he's doing all those things from? Yeah, yes, you. YouTube, okay. Yeah, you. YouTube. Yeah, you down there, miss. What's your answer? YouTube. Yeah. Oh yes, Cassandra. What's your answer? YouTube. Yeah. Yo, yes, John. Yes, John. What you say? YouTube. Everybody is saying YouTube. Everybody is saying YouTube because guess what? That's the only place people know that Colaz work. YouTube. YouTube is a platform that can change your life. Colaz Smith said that. Why he said that? Because it changed his life. So my real thing is why, and me always I put myself in there, why we are not trying to do the same thing. Why we are not trying to make YouTube platform change our lives. Why are we not trying to do the same thing? If you see it working for that person, don't you think it can work for you too? It can work. It can work for all of us. It can work. It's just up to you if you want it to work. It's just up to you if you want it to work. And guys, let me say this to you all. Making drag down content will put you one place. It won't put you anywhere. And I go tell you something. Remember, I make content. I make all kind of content. And in one of the videos that I put out there, I said, I get brand deals. People contact me. I didn't get them because of what my videos is about. So I'm taking time and turning and changing. The videos are still there. So in other words is, I don't believe I will get any good brand deal on this channel because there is videos there that is not good for people brand. So eventually I am working on other channel, coming out with other channel very soon. I have them already, but I just haven't put them out there. Because guys, I want to leave. I'm listen me good. I am putting these things in place so that means when I am not here on this earth, my kids don't have to struggle. And that's why I get up and I try to work, try to put out things, try to do things. So that means my kids will be able to function easier when I am not here on this earth because nobody know what tomorrow brings. You know this time they say tomorrow will come. You know that song, Michael Jackson? Yeah, I won't sing it. But guys, that is what me really want to say about the word that Colaz Smith used about YouTube platform can change your life because he is the example. Colaz Smith is the example of YouTube can change your life because guess what? It changed his life. So what he's saying to you is it can change yours too. And because it can change yours too, it simply means go for it. Make content, build content. Go out there and build content, make content to make your YouTube channel strive. Try to learn something from Colaz Smith. Try to learn something from Drizzy Burke. Try to learn something from Tiffany Silva and Raj. You know, a whole heap of time I watch them. I watch Tiffany Silva and Raj like, because guess what happened? Me, I try to learn different kind of style, different kind of thing to implement them in the new channel with me and make. Because guys, I want to able to leave something here on earth for my kids them, where them can have and them can use it to direct themselves in the right situation. This morning, I was bringing my daughter to school. And I said to her, I want to change your YouTube channel name because your other sisters want to have a YouTube channel. And she said to me, okay, I know the name. And I says, what's the name? And she says, the name is The Sisters Clubhouse. That's the name she come up with. So the name of her channel is going to be Sisters Clubhouse. When I have it already, everything fixed up. Only thing I have to do is I go have to change and put more pictures of them on it rather than a picture of her. So that channel is going to be out there for them. Whatever that channel make or what come from that channel, I'm going to put it into not a saving. I can't, my remembering brain today is not working. I go put it in a bank, in a one, either on a CD or something. I go put it in one of those things that recycle the money. So in other words is when you put it in there, the bank cannot trouble it. No money will be moving from it, but it will be more making money for them until when they're ready to take that money out. So guys, you guys have to sit down and look. You guys love Colaz Smith. Hold on a little bit. We all love Colaz Smith. It doesn't matter if you say something. Well, not everybody love Colaz Smith. Some people really dislike Colaz Smith. Me personally, me not hate Colaz Smith. Me not have nothing against Colaz Smith. Me will make a video and me will open my mouth and say things about Colaz Smith because we all are human beings. What Colaz Smith do is what Colaz Smith do. What I say or what anybody else say is just their opinion about a man, about an individual. Anybody can open their mouth and say anything about a human being. Anything. However, I'm not going to say it that way. I'm going to leave that part. I'm going to leave that part. Because you know me work. Yeah, man. You know me work. The thing is, people need to sit down and realize that Colaz is moving up in life in the direction that he wants. And if you cannot watch Colaz Smith and learn something from Colaz Smith, learn something from the guy who Color Reds Dream Girl first video November 3rd 2011 4,505 views. That's his first video. And now Colaz Smith video 50, 60,000, 70,000. I saw a video where it did 300 and something thousand. I have a video that goes 70,000. Yes. I would love to have another video that goes 70,000. I would love to have a video that goes 100,000. How you think I go have it? I go have to put the work in. I go have to make the content, put the content out. So that means I can able to get something. But guys, I just make this video because I just believe that we should be trying to learn something from Colaz Smith rather than try to want to take off other people's head. It does not make sense. It doesn't look good with the dog eat dog situation. Every one of us come on YouTube because we want to make money. If you're not making any money on YouTube right now and you're not changing anything to try to make some money, then what are you doing? You have to try something to make some money. So that means you can able to achieve something out of the YouTube street. Come on. If you, let's say you live in, like me, I think the most money I ever get on YouTube was almost $3,000. Yeah, that's the most. Sometimes you see people on YouTube making videos and cursing and doing all kind of things. Sometimes, to be honest with you, the pay that they get, you'd be wondering, why are they cursing and doing these things on the YouTube street? Because some of these people that is bad-mouthing people, when they get their money, they're getting 200, 100, 300 US dollars. You change that out, in Jamaica, you may be getting 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. So you don't want to go to the bank, and when you go to the bank or when you look on in your money section in YouTube, you see 4,000 or 5,000 US, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 US. You don't want to see that. You don't want to see that. That's when you go to your bank in a Jamaica or in the US and you get your pay from YouTube, aka Google. You smile. You know the word smile into the bank?